5-star glazed chicken.
Ooh,
Yeah.
5 star. You gave yourself 5 stars.
Just 5 ingredients on the glaze.
Oh, I get it.
Yeah, 5, yeah. You didn't like
I'm
that.
the best.
Yeah, but please give me
she
5
is.
stars if you
Sure.
like. So the 5 stars of flavor right here: savory, miso, like soybean, rice. It's
Love.
grounded up, it's fermented, it's funky, it's flavorful. It comes in various different shades of this earthy brown. They will consider this a red, even though it's more of a brown tone, but the darker, the more pungent and the more fire the flavors. They just really hit your palate. So this is a little bit more mild. All right, so miso goes in.
I love it. It's so great, and it keeps in your fridge for up to 6 months, so it's a great little flavor bomb to have on hand in an instant.
Some sweet from some creamed honey.
Oh, you've been into that recently,
I
too?
love creamed honey, just even on a piece of dry toast in the morning. Really, really good. Swirl some into your yogurt. Some orange juice, so a little
Jay
sweet
gravy, here we
and
come.
tart. You know I play with orange juice all the time. It makes the quickest sauces and gravies. And then I'm gonna come in with some fire, some red chili flakes. A little bit more. And then way more pepper than you'd ever imagine. Nice large boulders, so I loosen up the top so those grind plates are far apart from each other, make bigger boulders of pepper. And that's it. So you're gonna get it back here outside on your grill, on the inside of the grill if you don't have one of these cool little sidecars right here, and just work it out until it starts to cook down to a really nice glazy consistency.
Tiny.
All right, so I've already got some to the side that's gonna be good for dipping. And I'm gonna use some of this to baste and the rest to marinate my chicken. So this is one whole chicken cut up. And then I like to take the chicken breasts and cut those halfway as well.
Yes,
It's just good for like summertime party. No one wants a big old breast. All right, so you're gonna put it in the bag, move it around so everything gets touched by the marinade. And this is gonna sit on the counter for 1 to 2 hours, no longer than that, because the orange juice does a lot of work. All right, so it's gonna look like this. And then the goal here is just get it out, pat it dry. Real reason you're patting it dry is you don't want to get on there and do a whole lot of drippy sizzling and splashing back. Plus, the caramelization does happen with less moisture. So just kind of get everything out. All that flavor is already soaked in. And then dry them off. All right. So this is an indirect, full indirect cook. Nothing about starting on direct and then going to indirect. What I mean by that is, if you're doing like a coal grill, it's gonna be on the side where the coals aren't once you level them off. Or if you're doing like a gas grill, you're gonna heat up one side of the grill and then the other side is the indirect side. And I'm gonna go skin side down first. Nice little sizzle. The reason I go skin side down first is if you do it skin side up, it just curls weird. It's really nice to put it down first, and then it curls up towards the actual chicken flesh. Put that on there.
This marinade would also be really good on other meats. It'd be great on some pork.
Salmon as well. Grilled salmon would be great. I love a good side of grilled salmon. So just like if you're baking cookies, give them some space so they can aerate and stuff like that. And I've got the other babies over here. I'm gonna brush up. Now you're gonna do 15 minutes skin side down, flip them over about 10 to 15 minutes.
Don't be stingy with that sauce.
You know? It's nice 3 layers of love.
I like it to be sticky and saucy.
I'm gonna marinate it in it. You're gonna do a little glaze over the top, and then I also serve it with it. I'm gonna close that just for the walk. You know what I'm saying? Just for the...
Oh, now we gotta wait more?
I mean, just let it set a little bit, you know what I mean? Just for the walk, you know? And then get it back out. Wings galore. 5 ingredients, 5 stars.
You gotta get this down to me. I want a bite.
And then I'll transfer them over here.
Oh, that's the piece I want, that breast, yeah.
Use a cleaver to hack your breasts in half?
I do.
Yeah.
I have 2 favorite cleavers. How crazy of you to ask? I love a cleaver. If I can find anything that I can just hack, pow, 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 pow. Plus, I love chopping with 2 cleavers. If you do like chopped chicken or barbecue in the summertime, you get 2 cleavers and just start going crazy.
I think you're starting to scare people.
cheesy.
Look how good this looks.
What would you like?
I think Katie is tasting.
Oh, yeah?
She gets whatever she wants except that piece.
Oh, that's a lot